Hello friends, welcome to today's session on arithmetic progressions. In this session I am going to explain fifth question for you from optional exercise 5.4, page number 115, chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. So let's read the question first. A small terrace at a football ground comprises of 15 steps, each of which is 50 meters long and built of solid concrete. Each step has a rise of 1/4 meter and a trade of 1/2 meter. Calculate the total volume of concrete required to build the terrace. So here in the diagram you can see the picture here. The length, this length is 50 meters and the height is 1/4 meters and the breadth is 1/2 meters. So it is like a cuboid, right? Each step is like a cuboid. So the volume of a cuboid becomes, so the volume of concrete required for the first step, that is cuboid, becomes length into volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, right? This is the formula for volume of the cuboid. So the first step volume becomes, length is 1/4 meter, volume of first step V1 is equal to 1/4 meter into half into 50. V2 becomes, length is 50 into breadth is half, it does not change, but the height changes, into 2/4. And similarly V3 becomes 50 into half into 3/4 and so on. Now we have to find out the total volume of concrete required, that is V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 till how many steps are there? V15. 15 steps. So the only parameter that changes among the V1, V2, V3 is the height of the step. So the height of the step increases by 1/2 meter every time. So that's why I have taken 1/2 here, 2/4 here, 1/4 here, 2/4 here, 3/4 here and so on. So the volume becomes V is equal to 1/4 into half into 50 plus 2/4 into half into 50 plus 3/4 into half into 50 and so on till 15/4 into half into 50. So this is the volume. Now I'll take the common 1/4 into 1/2 into 50. I'll take this as common. Now it becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 dash dash till 15. So this is like an arithmetic progression series, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are in arithmetic progression, and this is the sum of the first 15 terms in the series. So we know the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to n/2 into a plus l. Here n is equal to 15. A is the first term is equal to 1 and L the last term is equal to 15. So the answer becomes 1/4 into 1/2 into 50 into n/2 is 15/2 into A plus L is 15 plus 1 16. Okay. That is equal to 4 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2 gets cancelled, 15 into 50. That is equal to 750 meter cube. So this is the volume of concrete required for building 15 steps in the football ground. Hope this is clear for you. I'll explain the problem once again. So each step, we are considering each step like a cuboid. So the length and breadth remains constant. The only parameter that changes from one step to another step is the height of the step. So for the first step, the height is 1 by 4, and for the second step the height becomes 2 by 4, and for the third step the height becomes 3 by 4, and for the last step the height becomes 15 by 4. So I have added the volumes of all the steps, and I have taken 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 50 as common, and the rest of the part remaining is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 15. So this is a series in a arithmetic progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 15 is in arithmetic progression. So this becomes a sum of the terms in an arithmetic progression. So I have used the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l for calculating the sum of the terms in this bracket. So here n is 15, a is equal to 1 first term, l is equal to last term 15. So n by 2 becomes 15 by 2 into a is 15, n by 2 is 15 by 2 into a plus 1 is 15 plus 1, that is 16. And I got the answer as 750 meter cube. That's all for this session. It was great teaching arithmetic progressions chapter, and please leave your feedback in the comment section below. You can refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise, and please subscribe to the channel and share the videos. Until then, see you.